Hi friends, welcome to SPG Learning. In this video, we are going to learn about Audio Manager application using Android Studio. Audio Manager helps us to adjust the volume and ringing mode of the mobile phone. The various modes of the audio manager are ring, vibrate and silent. To check the audio modes in Android Studio, we need the class Audio Manager. It has two major methods. Set ringer mode method is used to set the audio mode, and get ringer mode method is used to check the audio mode which is previously set. So each and every time we click the button and set the phone mode as ringing, silent and vibrate, and simultaneously we are going to check the phone status by using the ringer mode method. Let's do this in Android Studio programmatically. First open Android Studio. It will take a while. Then click File, New Project. In that, select Empty Activity and click Next button. Then type the app name as Audio Mode App. Let's do the front end design. First change the layout as linear layout. And also change the orientation as vertical. Now do the changes in text view and use the text view for specifying the app title. For that, we are going to just change the text value as audio mode application and the text size as 15 dp, margin top as 50 dp, the text style as bold, and delete the remaining fields. Let us add the audio modes, that is the various modes ringing, silent and vibrate in button. First for ringing button. Set the layout width as 150 dp, ID as ring button, layout height as wrap content, margin left to 130 dp, margin top to 150. To change the background color, use background tint field as teal color with the text value as a ring mode, text color as white. Copy and paste the button, that is the ringing button value, and just change the ID to silent button and the text to silent mode for the second audio mode. Then Do the same for third button, that is vibrate button. Just to change the ID as vibrate button and text as vibrate mode. There is lots of space between the button, so let's reduce the top margin value from 150 dp to 50 dp. Finally, add one more button to check the current mode of the phone along the, that is cross check with the audio mode we set. For that, again paste the button value and change just the ID to mode and text to current mode. Then fixed that button in the right corner of the layout with layout gravity as right. Now we have our design. Let's do the implementation in Java. First, declare the button variables, that is for 4 buttons: mode, ring button, silent button and vibrate button. The corresponding packages are added by just pressing Alt plus Enter key. To add the audio manager mode, declare an audio manager with a variable my audio manager for the class. Now create an object under the notification manager as notification manager using getService method. Within that, specify the class as context notification service. By using the control statement if, check the SDK build version, which must be greater than or equal to M. And along with that, the not satisfying condition for is notification policy access granted. If both the conditions are satisfied, then start the activity with new intent of setting service, that is action notification access settings. Now assign the button values to the variable using find view by ID method from the design values. First, assign the value for mode button. Repeat the step, that is by just copy paste and change the button name from mode to ringing, silent, vibrate. Then add the getService method again to the audio manager object, my audio manager with a value as content and audio services. Now add the click event to the buttons one by one, that is for each and every mode. First add the click event value for the ring button. Within the ring button, set my audio manager service to ringing mode normal. Then display the message as ringing mode activated using the toast method. Also, change the background color of the button after clicking by using the magenta color. Let's copy and paste the code and do it for the other buttons, that is silent and vibrate, by just changing the button name, mode and the toast message to silent and vibrate likewise. Now get the current mode of the audio from the phone, add the click event to the mode button. In that method, first get the mode value from the audio manager of the phone using the variable mod as an integer. Then check the value with the modes of the phone. For that, use a conditional statement if. First, check for the normal mode. If the condition is satisfied, then print the toast message as now in ringing mode. Copy and paste the line and change the if to else if and also the mode to silent. Then print the message as now in silent. And paste the code, that is toast message, under else statement and print the message now in vibrate mode. Up to this, our implementation is over. Before running the app, change that is just add two values in manifest.xml file. In the Android manifest file, specify the Android name under user permission tag with the value as Android permission vibrate. And also set one more permission, that is user permission, by using the Android name with the value as Android permission access notification policy. After that, we are going to run our app. First, for ringing mode, click the ring mode button. The message displayed as ringing mode activated. And click the mode button to check the phone status. It shows now in ringing mode. After that, check for silent mode. For that, click the silent mode button. The message displayed as silent mode activated. And also the top notification bar of the phone, get the silent symbol and do not disturb symbol. Let's check the mode of the phone by clicking the current mode button. The message displayed as now in silent mode. Run the app again for vibrate mode. Click the vibrate mode button. Now we get the message as vibrate mode activated. And then check the current status of the phone by clicking the current mode button. The message displayed as vibrate mode. Thank you.